and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, it's time for a Michael's grab bag haul. I had no idea they were even doing one. A couple of you guys messaged me, and then I saw that the freebie guy said that they were coming out because you told me to check them out. So I went to my Michael's store where I live today, and they didn't have anything. It looks like they were preparing stuff because they had the special boxes out, but they didn't have anything out. So then I actually went to go to my mom's house today. I haven't been to my mom's house in a very long time. So I went to their Michael's, and they had not very much, but they did have some. So if you guys are not familiar with the Michael's grab bags, they usually have them, they're seasonal items. They usually have them, you know, usually about a month after the holiday. And I try to do a video and share with you guys as much as possible. But they're awesome because sometimes you could get some duds, which I have gotten, and then you could get some really good stuff. So I got 4 of them. My goal is always to spend $20 is my goal. Unless, you know, there's something that's awesome that I can see through the box. But they used to be $4 in price, and now they changed it to $5, which I am not complaining. I will take it for $5. So I am currently at my mom's house. I'm in the backyard because it's the area that is the most lit. So if you sorry, you'll hear the air conditioning, you'll hear birds chirping. That's just what happens. I should have brought a knife with me. But yeah, $5. So we're gonna open the first box now. I could see a couple little things here and there, but yeah. Okay, so we have a plaque that says World's Best Mom. This was $4.99 with a little clipboard. It's a thing you paint. A lot of grad stuff. So here we got a straw that says grad on it. Ooh, we got some stickers. Sweet. These are stickers that you're supposed to put on your cap and gown, and now it's starting to rain. That's awesome. But yeah, you put this on your cap and gown. These were $5.99 a piece. I got a cool photo album. That's awesome. This was $15.99. But it's got a nice little photo album. That's kind of cool. It does say class of 2020, but you know what? Who cares? It's a photo album. I can always decorate it up. Then we have a cool picture frame that does say class of 2020, but I can always take this apart and make this into a shadow box. I can always make it into something. So that is cool. This was $19.99. Ooh. Then we got some rainbow putty. Don't know how much that was, but it's rainbow putty. My son will love that. We got a cool little frozen bow. This says it was $10.99. We got a lei. If you guys want to get a lei, $1.99. Oh, what are these, bracelets? Bracelets. It's a 2-pack. Wow, wow. And then we have another graduation sign that says work wanted, which those are good stickers to use. We got a wood stamp that has the letter L. Look at that. Cool little keychain of Elsa, $5.99. And the stamp was $5.99. And then we have some envelopes and flat cards, some with the letter L, some with the letter E. These were $5.99. What is this? Something that starts with the letter B. You got a little notebook that has the letter B, which is cool. We got some rainbow putty. No price for that. I got some, ooh, these are pretty. These are pretty. I got some stamp or patch stickers. We got C. These were $5.99. R, A, and C. Look at you guys, I can spell car. Yeah. Ooh, here's a cool little necklace. Oh, sweet. It's like a little necklace for the luau. $6.99. This is kind of cute. I like that because we can do role playing. Here we got a dinosaur, and then what you do is you put the foam around the dinosaur. I never even saw those at the store. Here we got another thing for the top of the graduation cap. It says big city is waiting. This was $5.99. Ooh, some pretty stickers. We got runway stickers. It says good things come to a hut. Oh, these are stamps. Okay, hold on. I don't know what the heck this is. I'll give you guys, just give me a second. So this is a monogram, a die cut folder, okay? And then we got some stamps of, like, you know, some gals ready to go. Yeah, these were, doesn't say. Here's a nice cool picture to paint. It's like a little sailor or a little sailboat, $14.99. We got some Monogram stickers, the letter, I think this is a K, I think. Yeah, $5.99, and then we got the letter C. I got another Elsa keychain. We got some ceramic magnets. Yes, they both say you are #1. These were $2.99. I was actually eyeing these up. Pretty excited. I got some big wood beads. Okay. And then I got letter B, 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 C, C, and C of the Monogram thing. So that was one box, you guys. One box. I was actually pretty happy with that one box. I did buy bubbles. They had bubbles for like 60% off, and I just got them while we were at my mom's house, just so the kids could play with some bubbles. So that's what this bag is the bubbles, if I can get it out. So these were 60% off, so I think I got them for like 40 cents. So let's just get this box open. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna open all these up. I opened the second one, and to the looks of this has everything in here, pretty much the same thing as I already got. There is some different ones. We got one that says our graduate, which is perfect. Another wanted stickers, or I'm done. We got some jewels, world's best mom, the graduation. I got a different notebook that has the letter K. A stamper that has a J! Yay! For Jennifer! More putty. And putty. And putty. And then I got like a little circle notebook. We actually have a necklace lay, and then more of those beads. Another thing of the going to the big city. I got some Monogram flat cards for the letter J. Yay! This time we got Elsa. I meant Anna for that other one. I'm an idiot. A nice cute little bow, $10.99 of Elsa. Here we got another notebook set of L, J, K of the stickers. Here we got a B and an A for Ba. More of the chic stamps, and then I got 2 sailboats of the paint sailboat thing. So that was in another box. So those boxes are exactly the same, but I have 2 more boxes that are a little bit different. This one looks like it's a scrapbook box. Oh yes, excited for this. Okay, so here we got another thing for the graduation cap. We got some tassels. Ooh, we can put some glitter on your graduation caps. So that stuff I'll probably save for next year. Here we got a accessory kit. It's like a stamp of like seashells or something like that. Stickers. We got another kind of stickers that are kind of falling apart. These were $3.19. Oh, they're planner accessories. We got some stencils for some cookies, some stickers for your book. I have a embellishment thing for your planner. This was $5.39. Here's some textured stickers. It's like, this is like a mannequin. Kind of weird. More stickers for your planner. Here we got a compact mirror, you guys, and there's nothing inside it. Look at that! Would you look at that? Another party sticker, and then we got some other stickers. Now here is a stamp set. Ooh, these are cookie cutters. Sweet, this is pretty. This was originally 26 bucks. It's a cookie cutter thing, and then oh, it's a bunch of cookie cutters. That's kind of sweet. Look at that, $26, and it's a bunch of cookie cutters, and it looks like it's all the seasons. It looks like it's all the seasons. Yeah, sweet. Okay, whatever this is. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's a waterproof case. Okay, I'm like, really? I got a, so this was $29.99. This is a Polaroid Cube. It's a waterproof case and a suction mount for if you guys have the Polaroid GoPro. So that's kind of cool. Ooh, sweet. Oh, I thought this was a tie-dye kit. So this is a Technique kit. something with, what kind of ink is this? Acrylic paint bottle, so that's kind of cool. Here we got some little cookie, so if you guys want to make some cookie little parchment holders to put cookies in there. Now, there was tons of yarn. In one of these boxes, it was just filled with yarn. So I did not want to go with yarn. But this is one thing of yarn that I did get. It's black, which is perfect because I love black. Here's some little tin thingies. Or these are caps. Oh, milk bottle caps that you guys can decorate and put stuff in there. I can always make those as magnets. Here we got some journal tape. It looks like it's got just some white tape, 7 pieces, so there's that. This is a book that says Feeling Sunny. This was originally $15.99. It's a journal. And then we got some more planner stickers, and then I actually got a memory maker. It doesn't say, it just says it's a 12-month undated planner, so you can use this every day or anytime. It was originally $42. It says every picture tells a story, so it's got the book and everything. That is super cool. So that is box number 3. And then box number 4, I saw that it had some picture frames in there, and that's what I really, really wanted. So I did get a cup. It says Smarter by 1 degree. So it's got like some confetti in here. I don't know if I can take that confetti apart. I might do something with this. I don't know. We will see. But I do got a tumbler. This was originally $8.99. I did feel a t-shirt in here. This is a small. Awesome! It's just a blank shirt. It says it's a small, but this does not look like a small. It looks like it'll fit me. It's just a black t-shirt. That is so perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, here we go, It's a big frame. This is what I felt. Okay, so this was originally $39.99, and it is a diploma holder. So what you do is you put your tassel in there, your picture, and your diploma in this little book. That's kind of cool. I like that. I gotta put this in a spot where it's gonna be safe. Okay, $40 for that. Here we got some more tassel. So a lot of this stuff's all the same stuff. So we got Elsa, we got 2020 bow, more beads for your cap. I bet you they didn't sell a lot of this stuff because of everything. Mom of the Year magnet, more jewels, and then we got A. Some Monogram notebooks. Ooh, another magnet. Mom of the Year. Some more keychains of Anna and Elsa. Some more straws. Here we got a cool little star for the graduation cap. Another lei necklace. Another lei bracelets. We got the letter C for a stamp. J for a stamp. C for a card, and J for some cards. And we got the letter A, and then we got the letter G for some stickers. N. Ooh, we got some like regular graduation beads. It's starting to thunder outside, you guys. More putty. Okay. More of these black beads. These are another necklace. I have some more books of nothing. So I'll probably be doing a giveaway soon with this stuff. We got the letter T and the letter E. Another J. And then another World's Best Mom. Alright, you guys, that's the best. I got a little thing of notepads. We got 3 different notepads. These were $5.99. I got a keychain of Olaf and a keychain of Olaf. So that's cute. And then I got more of these little stamp things. So that was everything that I get. Like I said, I paid 20 bucks for this is as much as I go, but I'm pretty excited for what I got. Some of the graduation stuff is actually worth, worth keeping. I can always decorate it and change it up a bit, but I am pretty excited about the cookie cutter thing that I got. the black t-shirt. Like, you can't go wrong with a black t-shirt. And then I got some other things here and there. So that was awesome. If you guys enjoyed this Michael's unboxing grab bag haul, please let me know by giving this a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys score. I love to hear what you guys get. Everybody gets different things, you never know. But I have a feeling that a lot of it will be a lot of clearance items, and then a lot of it will be graduation stuff, because nobody was really buying graduation stuff because nobody could have any graduations this year. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See ya. Bye-bye.